the very first thing we look at is something called the supply index number, or the supply and demand in the area. So this is typically calculated based on the amount of storage in an area divided by the population. Let's say in an area I find that there are 100,000 square feet of self-storage. And in that same trade area, there's 20,000 people. So using that ratio, we have what's called a 5 supply index number, or a 5 net rentable square feet per capita number, per population, per person. That's one caveat. And what we see is that the national equilibrium is roughly 5.96 net rentable square feet per person. So that's a good average baseline to start on, but that doesn't tell the whole story. So for example, if you're looking at a property in the downtown metro area of a major population hub, like here, let's say I'm looking at a property in River North in downtown Chicago, the supply index number may be way higher, just because the amount of people that fit into a small square footage. Or maybe if you live in downtown, you're living in smaller, maybe you're in 1,000 square foot apartment, as opposed to if you lived out in a rural area where you can build a 5,000 square foot house and sit on, 40 acres of land. So the supply index number will change depending on where you are. So that's the very first thing that we'll do, is look at the supply index number.